Anyways.
Praise be Jesus Christ, everyone. My name is Fernan Capulong. Good evening, good afternoon, good whatever time, good whatever time you're watching this video. And this video is about quadratic function.
What is a quadratic function? A quadratic function is a type of function where the highest power of the variable is 2. This means the equation includes an x squared term. When we graph a quadratic function, we always get a curve called a parabola. The parabola can be open upward like a smile or open downward like a frown. Quadratic functions are used to describe motion, shapes, profit, height, and many other real-world situations. The standard equation form of a quadratic function is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. A controls the direction and width of the parabola. If it is a positive, the parabola opens upwards. If it is a negative, it opens downwards. B controls when the curve shifts left or right. C is the y-intercept, which means where the graph crosses the y-axis. A real-life example would be shooting a basketball.
Let's imagine a basketball player taking a jump shot. The ball starts at the player's hands, rises into the air, reaches at the highest point, then falls into the hoop. The motion can be modeled with a quadratic function. For example, y equals negative 1 half x squared plus 4x plus 1. In this situation, the x represents time, y represents the height of the basketball. The negative sign tells us the ball will come back down. This is the graph of the function. You can see the curve opening downward, which means the ball rises, peaks, then falls.
The highest point of the curve is called the vertex. This represents the maximum height of the basketball. The places where the curve touches the x-axis represent the ball hits the ground. So this graph shows where the ball starts, how high it goes, and where it lands.
So every time a basketball is shot, a football is kicked, or anything that curves through the air, remember, the motion is powered by quadratic function.
2. This means the equation includes an x squared term. When we graph profit, height, and many other real-world situations.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or good whatever time you're watching this video. Praise be Jesus Christ. I'm Fernan Capulong and I'm making this video about quadratic function.